already 2 weeks old. And their mom is feeding them. Hey. It's so cute, so cute. It's so cute. He's so cute. Why? What are you doing here? Oi, come wake up. Eat dinner. Eat breakfast. So cute. Hey. The eyes open. So cute. There's something. Lie down. Lie down. Okay. Wake up. Wake up. Eat breakfast. Time for breakfast. Okay, come here. Where are you going? What the hell? So cute. What are you looking for? Look. What are you looking for? Oh. Give me hand. Look. Give me hand. 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 Wait. Hand. 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 Good boy. High five. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Roll over. Roll over. No. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Oi. Oi. Don't ignore me. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Don't you wanna eat? Lie down. Lie down, babe. Lie down! Lie down! Hurry up, lie down! Roll over! Roll over! Okay, good boy. Lie down! Lie down! Lie down! Nah, I don't want to play. It's fine. My baby's so cute. Oh, you're so sleepy. So cute. Where's the brother? Big brother. It's you, isn't it? So cute. You wanna find another baby? Say you don't wanna be with me. So cute. Eyes open as well. So cute. Your eyes still closed. So you are the last baby. This one. Okay. Your tongue so cute. Oh my god. Okay. Let's say you back. So cute. Hey, look. High five. High five. Good boy. Do you want the snacks? Do you want to? Do you want to? Do you want to? I'm not gonna give to you. You already ate. God. Look! Oi! Did you want a train? Did you want a train? Come here. Give me hand. Hand. Change. 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 Hand. Change. Good boy. High five. Good boy. Lie down. Look, lie down. Good boy. Roll over. Good boy. Boom. Good boy. Okay. No, wait. Hold. Don't move. Okay, don't move. Don't move. Keep. Okay. It's so cute. It's so smart. Okay, go away. Don't want to play with you anymore. You just want to eat. If I'm not giving you anything, you will not listen to me. So go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Oh, I'm just joking. Are you serious? Leave me. I'm joking. Oi, Blue, come back. After I finish play and have fun with my doggies, I have to do my homework again. Yeah, I'm so sad. I don't want to do it, but I have to finish in today. I have to finish this homework and give to teacher tomorrow. Yeah, it's the last day to do this such homework. I don't want to do it, but I have to do it because. If I'm not finished this homework, I can't go next level. Nah, I don't want. Still, I don't want to do it. Even I can't go next level. But I will try my best to finish this homework in today, cause it's quite important for me. If I finish this one, I have another one how to do it. But I don't have to finish in today, because the another homework I have to finish by next month, so it's still fine. Let's finish today. This one just finished today. Okay, let's see my work. See, I draw 4 beans. And I think it's not bean. A glass what? A glass bottle? Yeah. And the inside has a cute character. Oh shit. Mistake. Then we have another one, and third. Here's the last, but I'm not doing anything in the holidays. That's why it's not finished yet. But I have to start from do it today. Okay. Let's see you guys next time. I have to work. Bye bye. Yeah.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe me. I will upload some more funny videos, my dog, my life in Japan. If you guys wanna know more about me, please add my Facebook. I will stay here and wait for you guys again.